Hey, are you branding yourself correctly? Branding in today's online world is such an important step. People will only buy from those who they like, trust, and know. This is where branding comes into play. Without it, you're spinning your wheels against everyone else selling the same old thing. Don't let that happen. I'd love to help you understand how personal branding can help you be more successful in whatever you're doing. Are you branding yourself or your products? Watch the rest of the video to see why you should care about personal branding and how it can help you be more successful in today's online world. Hi, this is Vandana from New Delhi, India. Today I want to talk about personal branding and how it can help you be successful in whatever you're doing. Why should you care about personal branding at all? People don't do business with companies. They do business with people they like. We have relationships based on trust and mutual connections. There's just something about a connection with a human being that creates a level of endearment and customer loyalty beyond any relationship a company could ever reach. The strong bonds people have with one another cannot be overestimated. Even big companies have people whose personalities serve to advance their brand's mission. Apple had Steve Jobs, Tesla has Elon Musk, and Virgin has Richard Branson. If you're a small business owner, then this persona is probably you. If you are in the marketing department, it's probably one of the executives. Even if you work for a company as an employee, there is no reason why you shouldn't build your own personal brand. As a CEO, business owner, or founder, your personal brand serves as a huge asset that can grow your company both publicly and internally. Maybe you never see people many levels down from you, but they can listen to your podcast, view your YouTube video, or read your blog and find out exactly who they work for and what you believe. Whether you work for or lead a company, you'll become known simply by putting yourself out in public and allowing your thoughts to be known. People will start listening to you and may find value in what you have to say. The power of the human connection can potentially lead to more opportunity for you and your company. Having a personal brand makes you more successful. Here are some reasons why you need to have an excellent personal brand if you are in the quest for success. Number one, let the opportunity find you. When your brand is deep and profound, your customers, clients, vendors, and companies looking to hire you or your service will find you and reach out to you. So the opportunity will find you on its own if you're out there in the public domain to be seen and heard. So let the opportunity find you. Reason number two, you get online networking power. Make your brand work for you. People find you interesting and desirable when you have a fascinating personal brand and they're willing to connect with you. Don't be surprised when you get dozens of LinkedIn or Twitter connections every day when your personal brand is top-notch. Reason number three for having a personal brand is that you get in-person networking power. As a person, you can only reach out to so few people. You would have many aspects of your brand, personal and professional, to share when you are at a networking event. It is this that makes the people want to connect with you and do business with you. You can demonstrate proficiency and also back it up with online assets on topics such as entrepreneurship, blogging, speaking skills, social media, etc. So your networking power just from meeting a few people can go manifold and people can find you anywhere online. The reason number four for having a personal brand is it helps you build your business. It's a given that clients, customers, and vendors are more likely to do business with a company when the leader has a super personal brand. All the tech giants that we know of today, business people, celebrities, are all on the pedestal of success due to their own personal brands. Reason number 5 for having a personal brand is a personal brand helps you in getting hired. A majority of hiring managers use social media to hire. As per a recent survey, 96% of hiring managers use LinkedIn, 53% use Twitter, while 66% of them also use Facebook to hire. Hiring managers are trying to find out more about the candidate than just what's there on the resume. They're doing this to understand whether the candidate is going to be an ideal fit in their corporate culture. For all this, personal branding definitely helps. So if you have a good personal brand on your LinkedIn, Facebook, and your blog, etc., it can really help you in getting hired. Personal branding also gives you a platform to make new friends. Maintaining a powerful personal brand helps you not only professionally but also personally. When your brand is fascinating, people would want to connect with you on a personal level. So bank on your personal brand to make you more friends. Lastly, a personal brand is a never-ending project that evolves and changes constantly. There can never be a hard and set rule for creating a personal brand. But these are generic guidelines mentioned and they provide the first steps, particularly if you are starting a personal brand. Thank you for watching or listening. I hope that this content has helped you in any way. It may have motivated you, inspired you, maybe it has triggered an idea, maybe it's gotten you out of a rut, maybe it has simply entertained you. Listen, I am just the next corporate executive and consultant who has recently ventured into the world of online marketing and personal branding. After working for almost 2.5 decades in the corporate world, I reskilled myself, clawed my way up into the digital marketing and personal branding world. I shifted into running my own online business. I've been retired from the corporate world for almost 6 months now, and I'm not looking back. If you want to follow me on my journey or maybe even connect further, you can go to my blog at vandanananda.com. That's VANDANANDA.com, or you can click in the link in the description below if you're watching the video. Vandana Nanda signing off, and I'll see you on the inside. Bye for now.